Howdy, howdy. It's the Mobile Home Mama. One last video here before I go on 4th of July vacation, which I'm only going to be on a couple days. But anyways, what a great way to go out with the bang here than to show you a clearance home. So this is called the Malden. It's a 16 by 76, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And it is our July clearance, on clearance for $72,000. We do build to order, so it's not the exact one that you see. This one is already bought, going away to a customer. We were gonna personalize one for you, so you're gonna choose the colors. Also, we've got an olive green as the color on this one with some white lineal trims. That tells me this customer did a package 1. Also in that package, we have moved up the starter strip, and this customer has done an OSB wrap underneath as well. So another feature that I haven't talked about very often is a reverse hitch plate. It's very rarely used, but if you ever have to put the hitch on the other side of the home, it's possible, but you got to let me know ahead of time. And by the way, I'm a housing consultant here at Champion Homes, so if you're looking to buy a home, I'll throw in a gift card for you, maybe help you with the groceries for the first week that you're there. Anyways, package 2, lineal trims, move the starter strip up, pier savers under the doors, so that's going to save you from putting in two concrete piers. Usually there's 2 concrete piers under every door to support the door, but as long as you get a pier saver, you don't have to do that. This customer has, of course, standard 1 electrical outlet and 1 frost-free faucet. Looks like we've got here's the water heater, fresh water connection, so that's your water heater overflow in case it ever overflows. It's going to pour out the house right there. On the back here, you're going to see the HUD plate. This is a HUD home. Prior to 1976, there was no building code, and then the government decided they were going to come in and create a set of standards for the building code for these homes, which is a good thing for the customer because now they have a voice. This home also has gas. There you can see the gas inlet right there. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, I had to come into the back door because I was struggling to get into the front door. So coming into the back door, this home is going to remind you guys a lot of the Ockley video because it is the Ockley. It's the larger version of the Ockley. Coming in the back door, we're going to come into the washer dryer area, main water shutoff here, and water shutoffs throughout as well. But what's great about those 2 floor plans, the Malden being the larger one that we're standing in, and the Ockley, the smaller one, is, I've said it a million times, it has the natural dining room. This customer has opted to add an accent wall there, and another great feature of this home is the 30 by 36 window in the dining. You could enlarge that if you wanted to a 30 by 61. Another thing I'm noticing in here, we've taken the cabinets all the way to the ceiling and added an appliance package, which is microwave over the range, dishwasher, and usually a side-by-side refrigerator. So maybe they didn't do the package, they just added those 2 things. Laminate backsplash, Lysol on the countertops. This is the only textured countertop that we do offer. Dusted white on the cabinets and thunder on the floor. Another great feature of this house is the built-in buffet, which is a standard feature. You don't got to pay any extra for it. This customer has added the fully adjustable shelving on the inside, so you can take those up and down with just a click, click, click. They've also added a couple of storm doors. Now, when we sell you storm doors, we're not going to install them because, of course, they would fly off when it was going down the road. So we're going to put them in the middle with the packing materials, and you would have your installer install them after the fact. White wrap profile trim going on in here. So a nice molded trim. This is the front door that I could not get in. Coming down the hallway, you're going to see bedrooms 2 and 3. Here's bed 2. I would also add a window right here. At least a transom at the top. Even a couple 30 by 61s if it was me. Here's bedroom 3. Bath 2, same thing. I'd add a window right behind there. All right, flipping it around, let's head back towards the primary bedroom. I'll just stop for a second so you can see the openness of this floor plan. But what is nice about it is you have the living area is separated from the dining area. So if the kiddos are eating dinner or the family's eating dinner, you're not bothered by anything that's going on and vice versa in the living room. Here's the primary bedroom. Nice size for primary bedroom. Customers continued on with the accent wall there. Here is the primary closet. This is also going to hold the water heater behind the panel. Here we go into the primary bath, a very simple primary bath. But simple is good. This customer's added a 2-seater shower. $767 in the shower. So there you have it, folks. This is the July clearance home. Catch it in the first 2 weeks, and you'll pay the low price of $71,000 for a brand new home with a warranty. Give me a call. I'm the mobile home mama. I sure hope you all have a safe and fun, happy 4th of July. We'll see you soon.